All right, guys, this is going to be the 2-box break. I'm basically just going to open this case right here, grab the top boxes. Those are going to be your 2 boxes. All right, break 1, break 2. Just like so. All right, let me show it to you, all fancy and everything. It says 8 cards per box, but it seemed like the other break had 10, so you might end up with 10. You never know. All right, guys. Card number 1, 49ers, 5 of 10, DeAndrew White. 5 of 10. You know what? I think the base is on the bottom. Well, if it is, there's only one of them. Steve Smith Sr. for the Ravens. 72 of 89. Devontae Parker, 48 of 99. Devontae Parker. So, Dolphins, Ravens, 49ers. Matt Jones, Redskins, 10 of 99. Seven of 25 for the Bengals. Triple patch. We'll have to random this one. We've got a quad here. Bishop Sankey and Austin Seferian Jenkins. Titans and the Bucks. Jay Ajayi. Dolphins. Luke Kuechly. 9 of 25. Carolina Panthers. Got a rookie patch auto. 3 of 25. Duke Johnson for the Browns. And a book. Nelson Aguilar for the Eagles. USC Trojans, Philadelphia Eagles. It's kind of cool. Kind of cool. All right, guys, that is box number 1. Let me get a picture here. And we did have 10 cards, so. All right, guys, break 2 coming up. This is our second break. This is the single box breaks. I only did 2 of them because I only had 2 extra boxes. All right, this is box break 2. We've got Julian Edelman, 72 of 99. Shannon Sharp, 16 of 49. So Patriots and Broncos. Steelers, Antonio Brown, 25 of 25. Chiefs, Chris Conley. Tremendous Treasures, 83 of 99. Duel for the Browns. Duke Johnson, Isaiah Crowell, 34 of 49. Redskins Duel. Crowder, Jamison Crowder, Matt Jones, 43 of 49. Rookie patch auto, Bryce Petty. Bryce Petty. Rookie patch auto. Mario Edwards Jr., 76 of 99 for the Raiders. For the Saints, Ricky Williams, 3 of 10. 3 of 10. And then we do have a 1 of 1. NFL Gear 1 of 1. Laundry tags. Marvin Jones, Eifert, Dalton, and A.J. Green for the Bengals. 1 of 1. All right, guys, let me get a picture for you. All right, guys, let me save this video, and I'll post it in your thread.